Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about
what is search engine and how does it work. Also define what is search engine optimization and their types with their importance. Now let's get started. What is search engine? A search engine is a software system designed to search and retrieve data from the internet. It allows users to input a query, such as a keyword or phrase, and returns a list of relevant web pages, images, videos, or other online content. And now we will talk about how the search engine works. Search engines work by crawling, indexing, and ranking content on the internet. Here's what each process involves. Number 1. Crawling. Search engines use software programs called crawlers or spiders to continuously scan and index the web for new and updated content. Number 2. Indexing. The crawled data is then indexed, which involves storing and organizing the content in massive databases. Number 3. Ranking. The retrieved web pages are then ranked based on their relevance, authority, and other factors to determine the order in which they appear on the search engine results page, SERP. Now we will talk about what is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of improving the visibility and ranking of a website in search engine results pages, SERPs, through various techniques and strategies. The goal of SEO is to increase the quality and quantity of website traffic by ranking higher in search engines for specific keywords or phrases. Now we will talk about types of search engine optimization. Number 1. On-page SEO. Optimizing website elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, headings, content, and internal linking. Number 2. Off-page SEO. Building website authority and reputation through external factors such as backlinks, social signals, and local SEO. Number 3. Technical SEO. Improving website technical aspects such as site speed, mobile responsiveness, and XML sitemaps. Number 4. Local SEO. Optimizing website for local search by including name, address, and phone number, NAP, consistently, creating content relevant to a specific geographic region, and building local citations. Now we will discuss importance of search engine optimization. Number 1. Increased visibility. SEO helps increase website visibility, making it more likely to appear in search engine results. Number 2. Targeted traffic. SEO attracts targeted traffic, increasing the likelihood of converting visitors into customers. Number 3. Cost-effective. SEO is a cost-effective marketing strategy, providing long-term results without requiring continuous ad spending. Number 4. Competitive advantage. SEO helps businesses establish a competitive advantage by outranking competitors in search engine results. Number 5. Brand credibility. SEO helps establish brand credibility by increasing website authority and reputation. Number 6. Improved user experience. SEO best practices also improve website user experience, making it more likely to engage and retain visitors.
If you like my video, do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.